Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to run a spell checker in Excel, so this should be pretty straightforward. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you can see I have some clearly misspelled text right here, and in order to run a spell checker on it, we're just going to start by left clicking on the review tab up at the top, and then you want to left click on spelling. It's going to ask do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet. Left click on yes. And there we go, guys. It's already giving us some suggestions here. So I'm just going to left click on change as we go through them. And then questions, I'm going to do that one as well. And I'm going to select concern. As you can tell, I spelled a lot of things incorrect and it seems to be picking them all up. And you can see it should be changing once we click on close. So I'm going to change all of these here. And that's pretty much it. Spell checking complete. You are good to go. That's what I like to hear, and hopefully you guys are as well. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.